This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me.
So today is a snowy day where I live, and so I decided to just do a little mini oil class today, and I'm just going to be talking about the top 3 essential oils and what they can do and how they can support you and your body and all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? So the first one I'm going to be talking about is peppermint oil. So peppermint oil is one of those oils that everybody knows about, and it works like that. So all the oils work like that, but this oil, you'll definitely be able to tell just like that. So it's when it's ingested, it promotes healthy respiratory function and clear breathing. Promotes digestive health when taken like internally, and repels bugs naturally. So peppermint oil is the one that I really did experience right away. The one that really I was like, what? These things work. So I love to use peppermint oil when I have a stuffy nose. Peppermint oil is amazing for stuffy noses. It's actually the one that I grab for the most when I have a stuffy nose. So how I love to use peppermint oil is I love to put it in the diffuser, for one, because you're getting those benefits of the oil going out through all the air and opening up your airways and clearing your nose and help with breathing. But one way that I absolutely love using peppermint oil is I love truly just applying it topically onto my skin. So I love just applying it on my chest or right underneath my nose a little bit. You want to be careful with this oil because it is a hot oil that it can cause your eyes to water. So the first time I ever used this oil, I had a really, really bad stuffy nose. And it was so bad, and I just applied it on my chest, and I applied it underneath my nose, and I applied too much because my eyes were watering. But it really did clear my stuffy nose, and I actually was shocked. Like, I literally was so shocked, I could not believe it. So peppermint oil is amazing for that. Like, I swear by this oil for that. It is amazing. But I also like to use this oil for when I have headaches. So I get majority of my headaches from when I have a stuffy nose or no caffeine. So because I'm addicted to caffeine, peppermint oil is amazing for helping with headaches. So I like to put some on the temples and on the back of my neck. Another way I love to use peppermint oil is to clear my throat if I'm coughing a lot, if I feel gunk in my chest. I like to take a drop of peppermint oil and then I like to just breathe. I like to rub in my hands and I like to breathe it in like this. And it's just amazing. You can like instantly feel like it clearing your airways, clearing your nose. Like, I just love how fast peppermint oil is and how fast you can actually tell it is working on your body. And doing this thing where I put it in, okay, so I make a peppermint mocha. It's not like healthy at all. Like, it literally is like coffee, a hot chocolate packet, and then I put a drop of peppermint oil in, and it literally tastes amazing. My mind is blown. When I first tried it, I literally was like, oh girl, this is better than Starbucks. So good. The next one I'm going to talk about is lemon. So lemon is amazing for detoxing the body. The lemon oil, it cleanses and purifies the air and surfaces. It naturally cleanses the body and helps with digestion. It supports healthy and respiratory function and promotes a positive mood. So I love to use lemon when I am cleaning. Lemon is a perfect one for this. I love to pop it in my diffuser. If you guys don't know what diffuser I'm talking about, this is the diffusers are, the kits come with this diffuser, and I love the petal diffuser. So when I'm cleaning, I love to put a drop or two of lemon right in my diffuser to cleanse and purify the air, get all that yucky stuff out, and also the smell is amazing. It makes your house smell 10 times cleaner than it probably is, and I love it so much for that. And also, cleaning is not a very happy time. It's not a very exciting time. So it also boosts your immune or makes it happy if you're not happy about cleaning. So next, I like to put lemon in my water because it does detox the body and gets all the gross and yucky stuff out. So I love to put a drop or two into my water, but I want to be very clear when I say this. When you're putting oils into your water, you do not want to use a plastic water bottle because oils are so strong that they can actually break down the plastic, and that's the whole thing we're trying to avoid. We're trying to avoid harsh chemicals getting into our body. So you always want to use a glass cup or a what is that called? A stainless steel water bottle when you are applying any oils into your water, but for sure lemon. So I love lemon for that, detoxing the body, cleansing the air, and also because I put it in my water, it helps with digestion. So, and any stomach problems I might have. Last oil I'm going to be talking about, and then I'm going to go, it is lavender. So everybody knows lavender, but here's a cool story. So I actually hated the smell of lavender. I've always hated the smell of lavender. I hated the smells in candles, anything like that. I had a roommate in college who would get the wall plugs of lavender, and she'd put it in the room, and I remember every time I walked in, I was like, ooh, I hate the smell of lavender. So when this oil came into my kit, I was like, ugh, probably am not going to like it. Probably won't use it because I hate the smell of lavender. Guys, let me tell you, the real smell of lavender versus the artificial fragrances smell of lavender smells 10 times better. And I actually love the smell of lavender. So lavender soothes occasional skin like irritation. And then it also, when taken internally, lavender reduces like anxious feelings and promotes peaceful sleep, helps ease feelings of tension. So I love to use lavender when I need to kind of rest and get ready for sleep, or I feel very restless and I keep tossing and turning. I normally will just apply lavender to me, put it on me, but sometimes if I'm in the mood for a drink, I will make a tea, a non-caffeine, and I'll put a drop of lavender in my tea to help promote my body for rest and to go to sleep. I love the taste of it. It's lightly taste with lavender, and it's amazing. And every time I do this, I swear I go to sleep right away. I love it. So lavender is also amazing for any rashes or anything like that. So I have eczema on my knee, and lavender is amazing for that as well. So whenever time I put lavender on my eczema either has gone down or I'm not scratching it as much, and I love lavender for that as well. Another way I like to use lavender is when I hate driving on the highway. So lavender stays in my car because I try to avoid driving on the highway as much as I can. But when I have to drive on the highway and I have no other choice, I always take lavender with me. So I apply it on me, and then I put it in my car diffuser to help me not get so worried about driving on the highway. I absolutely hate driving on the highway. Don't know why. I think it's because I'm claustrophobic. So whenever time I drive on the highway, I feel like I'm just stuck on the highway and there's no getting off until you make it to your exit. and I just feel like I can't move. Like, I don't know why. I just feel claustrophobic, and even thinking about it stresses me out. So I love lavender because driving on the highway makes me anxious. So this also helps me calm down and relax and knows that everything is going to be okay. So I take my lavender and I pray the whole time because Lord knows I cannot be doing the highway drives. Lavender also helps with burns, like burns from the sun or burns from like cooking or your curling iron or whatever it may be. Lavender is amazing for that. So literally, like if I burn myself, I just put a few drops on the burn and I just kind of rub it in, or sometimes I don't even rub it in, and it helps reduce the pain so much, and I just love it, and it actually heals it really fast. I'm honestly so shocked when I do get burned. Lavender really does help with that. So anyway, I just wanted to come on here and talk about the top 3 oils that come in every single one of our kits: lemon, lavender, and peppermint. They are amazing, and with these 3 in the diffuser, sometimes all I do is just put these 3 in the diffuser. 2 combined in the diffuser are amazing because you're getting your relaxing, calming scent. You're getting your detox, cleansing and purifying the air, and you're getting your respiratory help and able to breathe help from these. So with these 3 in the diffuser, it literally smells, first of all, it smells really good, and second of all, you're getting amazing benefits just from these 3 oils alone. So I literally love these oils, and I love putting them in the diffuser together, and that's why I felt like I wanted to talk about them today. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the oils, diffusing, using them, put a comment down below. Also, I wanted to say that I am so close to hitting a goal this month in my business, and it would mean the world to me if you could help a sister out and purchase a kit down below. I will tell you how to do it. Each kit comes with a wholesale membership, and then for this month, so this month, before November 30th, or after, by midnight on November 30th, each kit comes with free 50 points to get free oils. So yeah, and then if anyone purchases from me, you also get a welcome package from me, just like introducing you to the world of essential oils and helping you along this journey of how to use them and get the toxins out of your home. So I'm super, super stoked for you all, and I cannot wait to get you guys started on your oily journey. It's an amazing journey to be on, and it just makes me feel so good. So anyway, if you guys feel led and you feel the call to help me out and to even get started on your own essential oil journey, the link is down below, or if you need any other questions, just comment them down below and I would be happy to help. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.